How to fix iMessage stickers not working on iPhone. Here are the best fixes you can try. First, restart your iPhone. A simple reboot can often fix temporary software glitches that prevent stickers from loading or working properly. Press and hold the side button and either volume button, then slide to power off. Turn your iPhone back on after a few seconds. Next, make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. iMessage stickers require an internet connection to download and sync correctly, so also check that airplane mode is turned off. After that, check for a software update. Open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, then tap on Software Update. If a newer version of iOS is available, install it, as Apple often includes bug fixes for the Messages app. If the issue only affects a specific sticker pack, try reinstalling it. Press and hold the sticker app on your home screen. Tap on Remove App, then tap on Delete App. Again, tap on Delete. Next, open the App Store on your iPhone. Search for the sticker pack and reinstall it. Finally, if none of these solutions work, you can try going to Settings on your iPhone. Tap on General, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and tap on Reset. Then tap on Reset Network Settings. Keep in mind that this will remove your saved Wi-Fi passwords, so only use this as a last resort. That's it! One of these methods should get your iMessage stickers working again. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone tips and troubleshooting guides.